professor said birds only use their wings up and down to control their speed, height, and directions. And he created a mechanical bird with their teams. And this bird is it's just like a real bird. It can also fly like a bird. I think it is always a dream for men that can fly in the sky. And Professor created it successfully. I think in the future, people can also create two big wings, which can help humans to fly in the sky. Because in the lecture, the professor said that he can use his hand to control the mechanical bird. It is the same reason that can help humans to fly.